Transplanted aloe this week. Basil going strong. Another round of parsley starting up. Such a beautiful day today. Lavender's loving life. Rosemary. Mums are coming up. Let some air breathe in the studio here. Go walk around real quick. Getting ready to take the kayak out as soon as we're done doing this. Tomatoes are going strong. Carrot is exploding. Just have tons of fresh carrot leaves to eat. And our hanging lettuce and spinach is coming up. Pretty soon that spinach vine there will go up these strings all the way along our rail. Another carrot. Gotta get our potato box. Oh, there's a spook sighting. Look in front of the boat. In front of the boat over there. The spook is walking around. He's our garden mascot. Another side of piney tree forest. We'll call it spiky tree forest. Our edge flowers over there. They're getting up about 4 foot. Ooh, I see a new hibiscus coming up. Tomatoes. Alright, got some tomatoes forming. Here they come. Mom. Time to pull weeds over in this area. We're getting a cucumber. Hopefully it'll start going up the fence line here. It's almost long enough I can redirect it. Strong parsley. Couple strong parsleys coming up above. Ooh, a real strong basil over there. Our best bunch of kale so far. Up where the squirrels can't get to them. Dump Mr. Bunny over here. There we go. We just had a big rain. More mums and beans. Going around in there. Tomorrow I'll weed a bunch of this. Separate, see what we got. But we have enough containers to do another round of seeds. The squirrels and I play this game where we take turns knocking over the angels and setting them back up. All right. Keep this cage to deter the cats and squirrels from eating the kale. Here's our newest member in the garden. So beautiful. Trying to get these vines here trained to grow up above here. Trying to, oops, not quite long enough yet to get them going up there. Bugs really love these grapevines. Tomatoes. Oh, getting ready to open any day now. Peach tree or plum tree. Doesn't look like we're gonna get any plums. Basil, a little parsley trying to make it. I think these other ones are weeds, but I'm leaving them in because they just look pretty for now. Blueberry, another tomato. We've got some strawberries coming. This is our second best carrot. Second biggest carrot coming. I need to get some green peppers in here. And we got a little strawberry action. Time to take him in before the ants steal him. Oh yeah, so delicious. Oh, mercy. Fresh out of the garden. That's some good stuff. Tons of new parsley seeds forming. I'll sell those at the market. These grapevines, I need to prune back the grapevines and retrain them. I forget what this purple flower is called, but they will keep shedding and rebudding new flowers over and over and over for about 4 months through the summer. They're fabulous plants. Our potato plants. Our potato plants are falling over, so it may be about time to pick them and see what's going on in there. Part of the problem was that tile blew over from a strong wind. Sunflowers. Looks like we're going to have 3 sunflowers. That's wonderful. Some new purple flowers I'm not used to. I don't know what those are. Those are new. A little more wandering Jew. Bamboo's going great. I think it's curved because it's chasing the sun. I think I need to cut this branch off of the pecan tree. Yeah. So pretty. Time to get the bricks out. There we go. I need to restock the earthworm bin over there. Alright, time to go to the lake.